Alright guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to do an update on our Bwine F7 drone. So if you're interested in the update, stay tuned to the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Please consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. All right, so if you've been around my channel for a while, you know that I like to test and review drones. One of which was the Bwine F7 drone. Check this out. Now, I absolutely loved this drone. It flew. It was super easy to fly. Camera footage was great, and it has this really awesome camera, gimbal, if I can pop it off, camera, you can see this, on a gimbal, everything. Your SD card goes in the back, still got one in there, and it's a decent sized drone that collapses down to where you can pack it. All right, so we've got foldable arms that actually lock. They're tight to get out, but see, you can see this. All right, so your battery goes in the back. So I pulled this drone out the other day to fly, and it has been just sitting in my room where I keep all my drones. And this one actually comes with a case. So let me get all this put back together and I will show you the case if you are unfamiliar. So I can't remember exactly how long I've had this drone. I've had it for a while. You can go back, look on my channel. I think I did a couple videos about this drone, both review, testing, all that kind of stuff. So really like the drone. It definitely got positive reviews. And if this video isn't gonna sway you one way or the other and you wanna check it out, I'll have a link to it in the description below. But it comes in this awesome carry case. You see, you got a pocket on the front, you got a compartment inside here that you can adjust with Velcro. That locks your props and your arms. Cool remote. The remote was really, this is probably the most durable remote that I've seen in a drone out of all the ones that I have tested and used over the years. But I pulled this drone out the other day to use and to fly, and I noticed something. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. I noticed that my batteries had swollen. All right, so I don't know if it'll focus enough. This will not fit in the drone. This is puffed out, all right? Now, I've not had it in extreme cold. I've not left it in my vehicle. None of that. It has been in my house, actually in my bedroom, with all of my drones. The other battery, now it came with 3, but I guess I trashed one. I don't know, I couldn't find it. This is the other one. This is battery number 2. Look at this. All right, now I've never had a battery do this before. I've never had a drone battery or any other kind of battery explode quite like this. Now I can understand you're not supposed to have this in extreme temperatures, the extreme heat, extreme cold, all of that can do stuff like this to a battery. It can really mess a battery up. This one just has not popped open yet, but it's swollen, all right? But this is just ridiculous, all right? So I've checked back through Bwine's website, which they actually don't have a website, through Amazon, and have not been able to reach out to anybody about this problem. But all I'm gonna say is if you want one of these drones, or if you have one of these drones, keep a check on your batteries. So I'm hoping that this video, I'm hoping somebody can drop it in the comments. How should I store these batteries so this doesn't happen? I'm gonna continue to try to reach out to Bwine and see if they can either replace this, because this was not any fault of my own. See if they can replace these batteries, because right now this drone is nothing more than a paperweight, and it's useless to me without batteries. So I'm just glad that this battery wasn't in the drone, because there's no telling what it would have done to the actual drone. But yeah, so if you have this particular drone, please watch out for your batteries. I don't know what to do with them. I'm hoping somebody maybe can give us a comment in the comments and let us know how we should maybe store them. I know it's not supposed to be extreme cold. I know it's not supposed to be extreme heat. It was none of that. So this just happened. They were in the case, and I unzipped the case and found that. The other one was about like this one. It wasn't at this point yet. It was kind of like this. So I did take pictures of them to send to Bwine if I was able to find an email, but I wasn't even able to find an email. I did not dig through, I'll say, I did not dig through all my paperwork that came with the drone, like the book and all that. There may be an email in there. So maybe Bwine will see this and figure out that they need to change up their batteries. Maybe need to do something different with their batteries, or maybe tell us how to store them so this doesn't happen. So, do I still like the drone? I still love the drone. I just wish I could fly it. But this is no good. This is not good. So I will give a follow-up video if I'm able to get in contact with a Bwine. I just found these the other day and I haven't spent much time looking, but I wanted to come on here and definitely let you guys know that if you purchased a Bwine F7 drone, or any Bwine drone, that you look out for this with the batteries so it doesn't happen to you. So like I said, I am extremely grateful that I did not have a battery in the drone when it, so there you go. Drop in the comments if you ever had a battery do this. Do you know a contact for Bwine? And maybe share this video with Bwine. That would be good. I'm gonna try to do that. And there's a mosquito. So anyway, that's all I've got for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful, useful, all of that fun stuff. If you did, make sure to hit subscribe, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. So until then, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.